Hello traders. Today we want to discuss CCI technical trader reveals the secrets of CCI period 12. All right. So the discussion is about the secrets of the CCI period 12. All right. When it comes to technical indicators, traders often want to know what is the best setting that they can use. All right. Is it CCI 14? Is it CCI 8? Is it CCI 12? Is it CCI 18? And so on. But today I want to talk about a specific setting for the commodity channel index, the CCI indicator, the CCI period 12. I will share with you today what is the best time one should use the CCI 12 for and how to trade the CCI period 12. Very important. Whether one is a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader. All right. Those are the market participants that can use the CCI period 12. Scalpers, day traders, and swing traders. So we can see on this chart, this is the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So though I'm using a currency pair here, what we are discussing is valid for stocks, for commodities, for futures, for indices. All right. The commodity period 12, the first thing that we need to know is applicable on a daily chart. So the best time frame for the CCI period 12 is the daily chart. So you may be wondering, John, you said that the scalpers also can use it, the day trader can use it. What are we doing on a daily chart? So stay with us, all right, and then you will understand why, all right. So the best time frame for the CCI period 12 is the daily chart. Don't use it on any other time frame, all right. So I'm not saying that one cannot use it on any other time frame, but the best time frame, my recommendation is that traders use the CCI period 12 on a daily chart. That's my recommendation. That's what I'm saying. Do not use it on another time frame. So what's happening? I'm going to go now to the daily chart very fast so you can see that the CCI period 12 is now above the level of 200. That's what we are looking for. When a CCI period 12 is above the level of 200, my friend, is a bearish trading setup. I did not say a bearish signal. All right. I say a bearish trading setup. So we will be giving priority to bearish signal when we see that the commodity channel index period 12 on the daily chart, no 4-hour time frame, no hourly time frame, on a daily chart is above the level of 200, we will be giving priority to bearish signal. If we are buying, we need to be careful. I'm not saying that we cannot buy. Here it is, it's above 200. For scalpers, so now I'm speaking to scalpers, you see like this, you can go to your lower time frame, 3 minutes. CCI is above, CCI period 12 on the daily chart is above the level of 200. You know what? Sometimes traders forget some specific information. You say on a daily chart, and then when they apply it, they go and do other things. Don't do that, okay? So now I'm on a 3-minute time frame. You can see the price was first in this triangle. See my triangle. Now it was in this shallow channel. So now finally you see it break below that channel and retest it here. As a scalper, you will look for an opportunity to sell here, and you will grab your pips if it's going down. So as a scalper, you will use tiny stop loss. If you sell it at 9734. You may use 7 pips, 8 pips, and then put it somewhere up here, and then gently you take it down. But there is a better way as a scalper to sell in this scenario, break above retest. As you see that you may use a limit order. So instead of selling it straight away like this, you may place your order a little bit below waiting for it to come down and fill the order. So if it's going back up, you are not in the trade. You can scalp trade on any time frame, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, all right? Here it is. Those who are on a 10-minute time frame will wait for, you see now, it break below. For those who are on a 10-minute time frame, which I prefer, if you want to scalp trade with for this, so because there's a correlation between the daily chart, the hourly time frame, and the 10-minute time frame. So for those who want to scalp trade on a 10-minute time frame, this is good, all right? So here it is now, you see, break below, retest. That now on a 10-minute time frame, this candlestick bar is closed. You can place a limit order. Right now, instead of, I see he's running fast. When I want to buy, he went there so fast. Want to sell, okay? So put it there at 9736. So you are not selling it straight away. You say, okay, let's see whether they are serious sellers, and then you place your stop loss a little bit above it here as a scalper. All right, 9736. The price now 9739. Let's see. As I'm recording this video, let's see whether this will be a good one or not. All right. And then you use your tiny stop loss, put it a little bit above. If they kick you out while it's a scalping, you want to control the risk. All right. So talking about the secret of the CCI period 12, look for trading setups on the daily chart. You are looking for CCI period 12 going above a level of 200, that will constitute a bearish trading setup. For bullish trading setup, CCI going below the minus 200 level, or sometimes you can see here it didn't go below it, in the vicinity, okay, of the minus 200, that will constitute a bullish trading setup. Right? As a swing trader, this is good. So when you see that on the daily chart, now you switch to the hourly time frame, waiting for the signal. When the signal is fired, you go to the 10-minute time frame to enter the trade. For a swing trader, we cannot bypass, okay, the multiple time frame trading method. That's so important. Same thing for day traders. All right. So a day trader is a scalper that wants to remain in the market for, okay, at least 1 hour or more. All right. A scalper want to come out faster. A day trader will stay longer. So the same rule will apply. You see the trading setup. At least you use at least 2 times frame. So the daily chart, the setup is in place. Now, for instance, as a day trader, I can go to the 10-minute time frame. All right. 10-minute time frame, doing exactly the same thing like a scalper. My order is now yet filled at 9736. This is the gap period. This is what I'm talking about for day trade. It's the gap period because this is it. It's 113 in London. So this is the gap period. Okay, gap period. All right. All right. So the clock, by the way, I need to remind today, the clock went backward in London today, last Sunday. So it's now 9:13 in New York instead of 8:13. So the time difference between London and New York is now 4 hours. So probably the American will change also their clock very soon, and will go back to 5 hours difference. So right now is only 4 hours difference. Okay? I need to mention that to traders, okay? You need to know. All right. So for the CCI period 12 daily chart, and we want to trade the overbought for the bearish trading setup and oversold for the bullish trading setup. There are more things we can do with the CCI period 12. As I told traders, talking about the best way to use the CCI period 12, all right? This is my recommendation, according to my observation. There are more links to this that I do not want to talk about now. All right. So you can see here where it is. You see above the 200 where my cursor is, and the price went down. Here again, you see this is quite close. He couldn't reach it, but we want it to go above the 200. That would be nicer. Here it is above the 200. Look, boom, down above the 200. Yeah, it come quite close. Yeah, this one. But we want it to go above the 200. Okay. All right. This one couldn't reach it, but you see, now we're again in that zone. For day trader, so sometimes the price may continue to go up. There are more to this, as I'm telling you now. But do not just think that because we have a bearish trading setup, we will definitely have a bearish signal. Okay, this is one thing we want to understand. A bearish trading setup does not mean sell. It means that give priority to bearish signal if there is a sell signal. All right. So if you are buying at that zone, so when the CCI period 12 is above the 200 level, and you are buying there on a daily chart, so now I have this line here. You see this high here is a good level, 9736, where I want to buy it now. You want it to, if it's overbought, it's pointing to us a resistance level. Sometimes those resistance may be hidden. For instance, those resistance may be a Fibonacci extension, all right, so, or price target levels, all right. So anytime you want to buy any price at a resistance zone, either visible or hidden, you want the price to break above that resistance, to retest it, to validate that resistance as a support level. The same thing, if you want to sell, when the CCI is oversold, we want the price to break below that support level, to retest that support level, and to find a resistance, and then we can sell, though the CCI is oversold. So, like I was saying to you here, because a lot of traders do not know how to trade the momentum oscillators, they will start doing all the things, and we don't want that. So you want to know more about the CCI trading, go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on CCI indicator so you may know how we trade a CCI indicator, especially those who are new to our channel. All right, so this is the secret of the CCI 12, specifically designed for the daily chart. All right, so now you accumulate the knowledge. Now go and practice, see how it works. If there is a breakout, you will buy instead, okay? Right, so you want to monitor the reaction of the price. That's what I'm doing now. So you go to your 3 minutes, your 10 minutes to buy, okay? You want to, all right? So monitor the reaction of the price. That's why I draw the line here. You can see I'm monitoring the reaction of the price. So this shallow channel, the price came out, and I'll retest it here. I place my limit order here, which is still not yet filled. See this kind of retest. We are waiting for it to pull back and retest it. And once you see a weakness, you want to sell. You want to sell in a resistance zone. And when you're about to enter the trade, you are looking for weaknesses. If you want to buy in the lower time frame, you want to look for strength. All right. So like it is now, the price, you can see that it went up to this point. So my strategy is that priority to bearish signal, okay, only in this zone, all right? If it goes above this level, though, I'm giving priority to bullish signal, to bearish signal in this case, because the CCI on the daily chart is overbought. If, for instance, the price continues and it breaks above that prior high, this one here, and the final support, I will not challenge it if I don't want to sell. I will, if I do not want to buy it, okay, if I do not want to buy, I will let other traders trade it. But I will be waiting for the price to come into the zone and to show a weakness. So CCI overbought does not mean definitely sell. It means that the price at the resistance level, CCI oversold means that the price at the support level. For this discussion, talking about CCI period 12 on the daily chart, the level that we are watching is positive 200 and negative 200 on a daily chart. We are using the CCI indicator to pinpoint bullish financial instrument and bearish financial instrument. This is what we are doing here. So if you are, for instance, we are scanning for stock for financial instrument using the criteria CCI 12 above 200, we are looking for we are preparing a bearish watch list. So we can use that scanning, okay, screening, what we call stock screening criteria, CCI 12 on the daily chart below 200. below negative 200. That will constitute, okay, a screening to find bullish stock CCI 12 on a daily chart below negative 200. If you are looking for bearish stock CCI, okay, period 12 on a daily chart above 200. Once we find a list, we'll manually, okay, go through them. So you will check, okay, the setup, is it a valid setup? All right. Okay. Is it truly bearish? Okay. And then we may be a little bit curious, go to the weekly chart, monthly chart, yearly chart to see the bigger picture. As a swing trader, as a position trader, we are obliged to do that, okay? And then from there, we will now, okay, implement a top-down trading method to trade it, okay? If there is no signal, don't force it. Price can go up or go down. And also, one more thing, use a limit order, as I'm doing here. A limit order will allow you to control the rate. So now so far, suppose I bought it, I sold it straight away after the retest like this. You will see that now I'm under pressure. But I placed my order a little bit below here and say, come down and fill me. And it didn't. See, now it's going up. So I'm watching it, the reaction. So for me, it's very important that I stay in this zone if I want to stay bearish. If it goes above this level, I find a support. If I don't want to buy it, I may not trade it. I will just leave it there and let other traders trade it and keep my eyes on it, put it on my bearish watch list. This is about CCI Technical Trader, reveal the secret of CCI period 12. My recommendation, one should use the CCI 12 on the daily chart. There is a reason for it. I cannot share that with you now. Don't ask me because I will not tell you. All right. So check it out and see whether it makes sense to you. If it suits your trading style, if it doesn't suit your trading style, you can leave it alone. All right, that's fine. Okay. Daily chart above 200, bearish trading setup, below negative 200, bullish trading setup. One, as a day trader, swing trader, one will implement a top-down trading method. For scalpers, once we see the setup, we go to the lower time frame looking for, okay, entries. Is that helpful? Okay. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. This is about the CCI, okay, Technical Trader reveals the secrets of CCI period 12. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.